For his first ballgame, our crew chief Sam Pingol, umpire 1.
We have our starting
Carol
fives,
Boy, and umpire
brought to you by New Star Max, Win to the Max, Coco Pingoy, Alwin Alday, John Apasible, Marco Balagtas, and Bam Bam Gamalinda for Rizal. And then for Mindoro, we have JJ Caspe, Tete Teodoro, Ken Bono, Jethro Sombero, and Art Patrick Aquino. Nil, 5 on the shot clock, Bam Bam Gamalinda. The face-up, the pull-up, and the make.
That's one of those guys na kailangang makakontribute ng malaki.
Jethro Sombero can score.
Yeah, lumaki pa yung expectation niya, lalo na wala na si Paul. You know? Somebody's gotta step up on the scoring side.
Alwin Alday, hand in his face, able to make a three-pointer. This is a good start for Rizal.
It was manok, lumpia, and pansit. He's also wearing the same socks from that game. Migs and Coach Mike.
Sana na laban naman lang yung socks. No? But it seems like that superstition has worked for Alwin Alday so far. Yung mga superstitions.
Ako superstitions ko nun, ako yung nagtatape sa sarili ko. I don't allow anyone else to put the tape on me.
As Apasible scores. My
Selection ng Mindoro, half of that coming from outside. And finally, they get a basket in.
That was an easy bucket for the homegrown in JJ Caspe. Si Kamit.
Kamit, yeah.
I have quite a story for you about that guy. Mamaya kung makascore siya. As Jordan Rios just scored, he's usually San Juan. There's no Lester Reyes as well, by the way, in this game. Wala siya dahil may personal matters labang. So let's hope that he can return soon.
Yeah.
At ngayon, si Kint Arriar naman ang makakaskor para sa Mindoro.
Yeah, Leicester also had a challenge in that game. Really couldn't score so much. Oh, wow.
Marco Balagtas from downtown. An all-star himself back in...
Without Lester Reyes on the floor, I wonder if they still will get as many offensive rebounds just like their game in Parañaque. Oh, wow.
How about Bam Bam Gamalinda contributing to the cause in terms of three-point shooting for Bam Bam Gamalinda. I had to say it once again as we celebrate his continued high level of play in the MPBL. This first quarter score is brought to you by GameX. There's a bounce pass to Vaigan.
Wow.
Kick out, recovery with 4 on the shot clock. Tough pass by Kamit. Vaigan, the fade, short. Jordan Rios, specialty of the house.
Tama ka doon. Yung identity nitong Mindoro on second chance points.
Jordan Rios, by the way, is number 5 in the league in offensive rebounding. He's doing it as a guard, at 3.5 per game.
Yes.
While on the other end, kaya si Ralph Salcedo at si Bernardo, the big man for Rizal, as Vaigan scores with a layup.
That's just about one of those really good opportunities. He will take that anytime. Ang nagiging challenge dito sa Mindoro, so you see the shot by Rocky. Taas nung loop nun, ah.
Yeah.
Oh. Ang challenge talaga sa Mindoro, kahit na in the flow of the offense, nakascore. Conversions talaga ang challenge. Good pass.
Would you actually say, as Rio scores, that Rizal
Guys on the ball, they don't have enough passers, I believe, to find open guys that could actually be the scoring point of attack.
Right now, it's Arriar being the passer to Jethro Sombero for that gimme.
The dugout and said we have to start having fun. We cannot think of the schemes to winning every day without enjoying the journey. The result of that, they won the championship that season and even ended up with a Grand Slam. He sees himself in the same situation.
That's Jan Salazar with the ball. He scores. So at least nagpe-pay off yung kanyang 2 trainings in one day.
Yeah.
It felt like a playoff game.
Right.
Gamalinda getting the bounce.
Bam Bam floater that close, you know.
Gold. In our outing so far, Tete Teodoro is 0 out of 6 from the field, 0 out of 5 from downtown. But the case is different for Alwin Alday.
Yeah, of their scoring coming from their bench. And a lot of it really comes from the starters.
Tete Teodoro able to eliminate Jan Salazar in that fast break sequence. That could get him going. First 2 points in life.
Yes.
Tinanong ko nga siya bukod sa nakain niya nun, ano pa ba yung dahilan kung paano niya na-score yung 30 points? At sabi niya, yung mga shots kasi na tinake ko nun, pinapractice ko sa mga pick-up game.
Correct.
Kahit alanganin, kahit medyo weird panoorin sa pick-up game, kumbaga parang sinisimulate niya na lang yung MPBL sa utak niya. At na-apply niya sa court. Our halftime score is brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball lending partner of the MPBL.
Yeah.
So those two are the marked men of Rizal so far.
Yeah,
But as I say that, Ken Bono scores.
There you go. And you know, if you can find the range from the outside, kasi by design,
Bounce pass onto Marco Balagtas. Inside they go. Apasible to answer back.
ganda ng recognition na yan ni Marco. He understood na nasa akin na si Ken 2 beses in succession na depensahan ni John.
The discipline of John Apasible has been splendid all season long, keeping his cool against a lot of physicality here in the MPBL as Rocky Asidre just made a 3-pointer. And I had that skit. Rocky, Alwin, 2-on-1. Alday all the way for 2.
Napaka-komportable ni Alwin to finish with the left hand. I mean,
The ball. Nice screen for Bam Bam. That's too easy.
yeah, you have a shooter like Bam Bam na may range sa labas.
And we both know, as Gamalinda misses, that he replaced a guy of high usage in Keith Agovida
Oh, yes.
for Rizal.
Yes.
That's huge shoes to fill. And speaking of shoes to fill, Marvin Jimenez just made a 3-pointer. He's the one.
Looks like it's going to go in.
Yes, ang ganda ng forma.
Ganda ng form eh.
Ariar, nice spin.
Oh, wow.
And the layup.
And he's been...
That was Claude Camit. Here's Ariar again showing us the moves. Rodel Vaigan, ultimate jump
Yeah.
shot.
Yun ang kailangan nila. Defensive stop is... And, you know, you just gotta do that again.
They're playing a zone. Much like what they did by the end of the third, Chat Alonso still scores.
And they're trying to extend that zone because they understand. There you go.
That's a good play to Kent Ariar.
Yeah, you move percentage for both teams right now.
Pass inside, Aquino. He needs a teammate. The cutter is Vaigan. One more feed, Sombero will finish.
Good cut. And so far, yung mga assist nitong Mendora are the one.
He drives and kicks. Alday will fire. No foul there. Recovery for Marco. Wala pa rin. 3 on the shot clock. All day for Alvin Alday. In and out and in.
Yeah, they never should have gotten that.
Two teams with winning records. Rizal actually, after starting off very well in their campaign, they've lost a significant amount of games. Yung dalawang pinakamasakit.
Oh yeah, masakit
Para kay Alvin
talaga.
Alday. Tete Doro just scored. Well, I would argue that Abra lost. Ariar forward pass, counter steal. Good defense by Rocky Asidre. The lead is 7. Pingoy for 3. That's gonna hurt for
Yeah.
Mindoro.
Yun ang mabigat kay Jerry eh. You know, Pingoy can...
Up top, it's Sombero who will drive. Sombero spins. Great patience. Basket
Yeah.
and 1.
9-point game.
Goes to Caspe all day from the corner. No good.
Man.
There's a putback for Jethro Sombero. And there was also a foul. What a game for him. Caspe, 9 seconds. Forward pass. My gun will fire. That's an air ball. Put back for Sombero, but there's only 3 seconds to go. There you go. Balagtas. I'm not sure if that would add on to
That
his
should count
rebound.
as rebound. Yeah, that should
L. His final score is brought to you by GameX. GameX Sports, the official online basketball ending partner of the MPBL. Basta ending GameX. Mika